Welcome to Integrated Technology Corporate Solutions, where technology meets reliability. We're not just a service provider, we're a dedicated partner helping you stay ahead in the digital age. At Integrated Technology Corporate Solutions, we specialize in managed IT services that keep your business running smoothly, securely, and efficiently. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, we offer tailored solutions to fit your unique needs. From proactive network management to 24/7 support, to providing the latest in cybersecurity solutions, we ensure your IT systems are always performing at their best, while keeping your company information safe. Our team of experts monitors your infrastructure, solves problems before they arise, and provides the guidance you need to make informed decisions. Our goal is simple: to provide peace of mind. With Integrated Technology Corporate Solutions, you can focus on what matters most, growing your business, while we take care of your technology. Let's work together to create a more efficient, secure, and future-ready business. Contact us today and let's take your IT to the next level.